Welcome back to Muslim World TV. In the realm of natural health, some combinations go beyond basic nutrition. When you pair one of the most scientifically potent hydration fluids on earth with a superfood explicitly honored in prophetic tradition, you create an extraordinary functional beverage. Today, we are exploring the science and Sharia perspective of blending mature coconut water with Ajwa dates, what happens at a molecular level, the exact formula ratio, its physical benefits, and the optimal time to consume it. First, let's understand why we specifically choose mature coconut water over young coconut water. While young coconut water is famous for its sweet taste, mature coconut water, from older, brown coconuts, contains higher concentrations of key minerals, specifically potassium, sodium, and phosphorus. It acts as a hyperdense, natural isotonic electrolyte fluid, making it exceptionally restorative for cellular hydration. On the other side, we have Ajwa dates, a small, dark, moderately sweet date variety grown natively in Medina. They are rich in polyphenol, dietary fiber, natural fructose, and bioactive antioxidants. From the Sharia perspective, dates hold a sacred position in Islamic nutrition. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, highlighted Ajwa dates above all other varieties due to their unique protective qualities. Sahih al-Bukhari, 5445, Sahih Muslim, 2047. Rasulullah, peace be upon him, said, "He who eats 7 Ajwa dates in the morning will not be harmed on that day by poison or magic." Islamic scholars note that while all dates are blessed, Ajwa carries a specific prophetic recommendation for daily preventive health, combining dates with liquid or preparing them as a steeped infusion. Nabid was a well-known historical practice to enhance digestibility and energy absorption. What happens when you blend mature coconut water with Ajwa dates from a biochemistry standpoint? First, electrolyte carbohydrate synergy. Mature coconut water is packed with potassium but relatively low in sugar. Ajwa dates provide natural fructose and glucose. Blending them creates an optimal carbohydrate to electrolyte ratio, significantly speeding up gastric emptying and cellular rehydration compared to plain water. Second, polyphenol solubilization. The antioxidant flavonoids and polyphenol in Ajwa dates are bound in fiber. Blending them into electrolyte-rich coconut water breaks open the cell walls, making these antioxidants far more bioavailable for immediate absorption in the gut. Third, natural alkaline buffering. Mature coconut water has a buffering capacity that neutralizes gastric acidity, making the natural sugars from Ajwa dates gentle on the stomach without triggering acid spike. Consuming this blend regularly delivers 5 targeted health benefits. First, rapid visceral cellular rehydration. The high potassium content in mature coconut water balances intracellular fluid, reducing fluid retention while restoring stamina after fasting or exercise. Second, cardiovascular blood pressure support. Potassium and magnesium relax blood vessel walls, helping regulate hypertension and counteracting excess sodium in the diet. Third, hepatic, liver, protection detoxification. The unique polyphenol in Ajwa dates, paired with the hydrating minerals of mature coconut water, support liver enzyme activity and protect against oxidative stress. Fourth, sustained metabolic energy. Unlike synthetic energy drinks that cause an insulin spike and crash, the soluble fiber in Ajwa dates slows glucose absorption, providing steady fuel. Fifth, digestive health. Gut microbiome support. The prebiotic fibers from Ajwa dates feed beneficial gut bacteria, promoting smooth digestion. To achieve the optimal balance of taste, osmolality, and nutrient density, here is the recommended formulation for one serving, the golden ratio, 250 ml to 300 ml, fresh mature coconut water, filtered, 3, 5, or 7 pitted Ajwa dates, following the Sunnah of odd numbers. Preparation tip: deseed the Ajwa dates. For best results, soak the pitted dates in the mature coconut water for 15 to 20 minutes before blending. Blend at high speed for 45 seconds until smooth. No added sugar, ice, or dairy is needed. When is the absolute best time to drink this elixir? Option A, first thing in the morning, empty stomach. In alignment with the hadith of consuming Ajwa in the morning, taking this blend on an empty stomach maximizes nutrient absorption, kickstarts liver metabolism, and hydrates your body for the day. Option B, at Iftar, breaking a fast, whether breaking a Ramadan fast, qada, or Sunnah fasts, like Mondays, Thursdays, or alternate day dud fasts, this blend is the ultimate recovery. Drink. It immediately restores depleted glycogen and electrolyte levels without shocking the digestive system. Combining mature coconut water with Ajwa dates is a masterclass in how divine guidance and biological science work in complete harmony. It is a simple, cost-effective, and powerful natural tonic that nourishes both body and soul. Try this formulation at home, share it with your family, and let us know your experience in the comments below. If you think this information was useful, please like and subscribe. Stay healthy, follow the Sunnah, and see you in the next video.